This is an amazing phrase for breaking the ice. Hello and welcome to Talk Chineasy, where I teach you Chinese with ease. My name is ShaoLan, and today I'm going to be interviewing a very special guest called Astrid. She's a Chinese student who is learning Chinese at her school, and I've asked her to share a phrase with our listeners, which she has found to be really useful. Hi, Astrid.
你好.
你好, welcome. What would you like to share with us today?
I'd like to teach a phrase which means hello everyone. 大家好.
大家好. When have you used this phrase and why do you find it useful?
I have found 大家好 as a very useful alternative for 你好, which means hello, when writing speeches or essays in Chinese. For example, I took part in a Chinese speaking competition last year, in which I started my speech with 大家好, and after all the practice needed for that, I know I'll never forget this phrase.
Okay, great. You just mentioned 你好. 你好 means you good. That actually means hello in English. So when you say hello everyone, we say 大家好. So now let's focus on getting our tones right. 大 is the fourth tone. 大. 家 is the first tone. 家, that means home. 好 is the third tone. 好, that means good. Should we say that together? 大家好. Right, that sounds great. Right, a lot of non-native speakers think that this means big home good. That's the literal translation. Big home hosts everybody. So in fact, it's everybody good. Hello, everybody. So you can use this phrase in a concert if you are singing, or in a presentation, or in a classroom, or even in the event where there is an audience. If you want to be even more specific, for instance, we want to say hi to our listeners. You could say 大家好. Let's give a go.
大家好.
Perfect. Now, actually, when someone says 大家好, this is an amazing phrase for breaking the ice because the audience can respond 好. So let's imagine you are performing a big concert in London. You walk on stage and this can be the first thing that you say. Let's give it a try. Remember to go with your tones right.
大家好.
好. Okay, now I'm on stage. Let's test your reaction time. 大家好.
好.
Great job. Oh, thank you so much, Astrid.
You're welcome.
Speak to you next time.
再见.
再见. Thank you for listening to Talk Chineasy. We hope you enjoy this episode. Please don't forget to rate us, review us, and subscribe. We will be back soon. Until then, 再见.